Welcome back to another episode of my trading vlog, where 80% of my views come from returning subscribers. If that's you, hit thumbs up. If it's not you, consider subscribing. Remember, analyze, make a plan, follow the plan. No fear, no doubt. It's like playing blackjack. Let's start with SPY on the hourly time frame. We had a big dump today. I want to start by analyzing my trading plan. It was actually a pretty good plan. I was very, very happy. I have a call entry at 399.32 and a put entry at 397. This morning, I talked about this diamond bottom in a short, and I said, hey, we don't really know which way it's going to go. We need that 1, 2, 3 confirmation push to really confirm that bullish reversal. We did not get that move. Instead, we saw the price reverse and push lower. I did see a motive wave at a smaller time frame coming up to what I'm showing here as mini wet wave B. I've updated this count, and it's amazing. I love this count now. It was so hard to figure out what to do with this diamond, and I finally figured it out. I'm so excited to share it. So we have seen a big push down. It's a motive wave, and it's heading lower, and it's part of an ABC pattern pushing down, and it's wave B in a corrective ABC. Now, this is what's very tricky. This is going to get so many people trapped. I think this is a massive bear trap. Yes, the bear is calling a bear trap. I have always been the realistic one here, saying the meme stocks are going down, and they fell with SPY rallies. I call the tops, and now I'm calling bear trap. Yes, everyone and their dog is going to go super bearish. And it's true that we may actually have a bearish reversal here, and we do push lower. But remember, the markets are free to do whatever they want, and it's always going to happen in the least convenient way possible, mostly against people's expectations. The herd gets herded. So here we go. Let's talk about this. What happened? Well, I believe coming off of this minute wave A, we found ourselves in a nice three-wave pattern where that diamond through the last couple of days was the wave B. A lot of overlapping waves there, not a whole lot of motive mode going on. A 1, 2, 3, and then an extension 1, 2, 3 pushing higher to that 401 target that I said yesterday I was looking for based on the high and tight flag right before close, and that was the high and tight flag I traded, and I made money on calls today. How wild is that? I made money on calls today. And then sure enough, when the price began to fall past 397, I actually didn't have enough money to make another trade, which was I funded my account with more money like I said I would. And I did that because I really feel like I just need more money in order to find myself in a more profitable position. But I still don't have enough money to make more than one trade a day or 1 or 2 trades. And I traded this morning, and then this PM crashed. I wish I could have traded it if I could have just have entered that put. Oh my God, but I'm so happy for everyone that did. That's amazing. Crushing it in the Discord today. Obi-Wan, Duke, Joe, everybody, I mean, T-Man playing SPXU. It's incredible. Everyone's doing fantastic. Congratulations, you guys. If you're not in the Discord, get in the Discord. Let me explain what I've got going on the RSI here. I've transferred my Elliott wave count down to the RSI, and I do this so that I can help explain how I read this indicator. It's my favorite indicator. It's so simple. The MACD is also really good, but I don't like to show it a lot. It doesn't provide much clarity, I don't think. I don't really use EMAs either. I know that might be weird, but honestly, between the price and chart patterns, Elliott wave, and the RSI, I can get a pretty good idea of what's going on. What we're looking at is not a lower low. It's actually a higher low in the RSI if we find a bounce here, with the mini wet wave C ending in oversold in a corrective form. This could mean that we get a bounce, and then this bullish divergence will actually extend all the way out over here, and we get this massive rally. What? Yeah, that's still very much on the table. Unbelievable, right? Unbelievable. And that would give us what's called an irregular flat, an expanding flat. Expanding patterns are the worst, the most annoying chart pattern ever. And this has happened in the past recently, and it threw everyone for a loop when it happened that last time as well. And I'm going to be going over that right now. Let me pull up my charts here. I believe I have it on Zigzag Daily. Yeah, so this is my big bearish analysis. Big bearish analysis. And it supports one more push higher if we're in a rising diagonal triangle. It also could support a market dump right now, assuming that it was a symmetrical triangle that we have completed between August and just recently this high at E. Typically wave E overthrows, and then we see a push down. So there you go. Now, irregular flats, let's talk about them. I believe that this was an irregular flat shown here as waves A, B, and C, completing wave A and X. So kind of confusing there, right? However, this can't be a motive wave heading down because this high at 417.39 is higher than the low of that first impulse wave heading down, supposedly. So this has to be a zigzag that ends towards May 20th of 2022, and then we have this expanding flat pattern. As you can see, the price rises into A, crashes into B, and sets a new low, and then it pushes back up. And this is very, very tempting because the bears see a new low, and then this weak rise, and the price starts heading lower, and then guess what? Sideways extension and bullish reversal. And yes, that does happen. I believe that this ABC irregular flat expanding pattern separates the 5-wave form I'm looking for now to develop through here. And I actually have that shown on SPX a little more clearly, I think. So I'm going to go ahead and open up SPX. We'll get going here. So I have a zigzag coming down and then the expanding flat. So zigzag, any 3 for the expanding flat, and then a 5-wave heading down. This is a 3-3-5 pattern, and it brings us to that low we found in 2021, I believe. What was that? 2022 and 2022. And now we have this supposed 5-wave form coming up higher, and I'm actually expecting for that to complete. It's looking like we could form an ugly double bottom or something. Well, I don't know really. I guess we'll have to find out soon enough. Anyway, so this means that we're actually in a 5th wave at a larger degree, at a much larger degree. So I believe I have this as cycle wave 4 at C. That's where that expanding flat left us off. And now we've got a big wedge forming here, and it is bearish, but there should still be one more push in there if that's the truth. So I've got 2 analyses. One does support a dump right now, and the other says, hey, this is actually a bear trap. We'll get one more rally higher, but it's just a fake out. It's a big head fake. Imagine if we get this big dump today and all of a sudden we have another rally tomorrow. It's going to throw everybody off, and well, only a few people are going to get it. The reason why I don't think that this is actually a bearish pattern is because if for this to be a motive wave heading lower, then the impulse wave 1, which ends here at 404, cannot be surpassed by wave 4. And there's totally a bunch of price action through here cutting through that price level. And that means that this cannot be 1, 2, 3, 4. It may be 1, 2, 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3. It could be, but the problem with that count is this is not a 5-wave structure. This is not a motive mode through here. This is clearly A, B, and now we're going for C. So the waveform analysis actually supports a bounce from here. I think if you want to take a really orthodox look at this, the target for this spill down is 391, and maybe on a smaller time frame we're going to get there. Yes, on the minute chart, boom, perfect. We have had a perfect ABC push lower. This is going to catch everybody off guard because they think it's a motive wave heading lower, but it's only 3 waves. The waveform analysis does not support this as a motive wave heading lower. On the hourly time frame, we have what's called let me turn on the candles here. It's a chart pattern analysis. It's called a vertical rundown. After a vertical rundown, you get these chances of a bounce. Look at this giant bottoming wick forming. Incredible, right? And of course, the RSI here is oversold. The bullish divergence is formed. It's very common to find bottoming patterns below uptrending support, just like we had back here when we had this big rally. So we have these very volatile swings occurring in the market. I don't think anyone really knows what's going on. There's a lot of news every which way. It's very exciting. I'm having a great time. And I think actually I'm going to make another video with the rest of my analysis because I really want everyone to see this video all the way through. And if it's 20 minutes long, no one's going to watch it. And it's already probably been too long for people to watch this long. So if you have watched this long, thank you very much. And if you made a bunch of money today, remember, super thanks are on. I'm not asking, but super thanks are on. It's been a great day in the Discord. You guys are fantastic. And if you have gains you want to share, I want to share those. I really do. I think right now no one's even shared anything to post. Let me go over here into plays of the week. This is where I would like people to post their plays for sharing. This would be a great place. Keep the clutter down in the SPY trading channel. Yeah, woo! We had a good time today, didn't we, guys? It was kind of quiet there for a while, and then it just kind of like kept dropping. Oh, whoops, that was my reaction there. I want to get rid of that. Lord, yes, the Bears, the Bears. Yeah, we're partying. We like to start. Okay, I'm out of here for now. Watch the next video. It's gonna have a lot more analysis on a lot of different things, including the meme stocks, AMC, and GameStop. What's going on? Find out. I'm out.